Understanding, not seeing eye to eye. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English idiom, not seeing eye to eye. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Not seeing eye to eye is an idiom used to describe a situation where two or more people do not agree on something. It's important to understand that this phrase highlights a difference in opinion or perspective that isn't easily resolved. It doesn't necessarily imply a serious conflict. Rather, it indicates that there's a disagreement or lack of understanding between the parties involved. The phrase, not seeing eye to eye, is believed to have biblical origins, coming from the book of Isaiah in the Old Testament, where it was used in the context of agreement and seeing things in the same way. Over time, the phrase has evolved to more generally represent the concept of disagreement or differing perspectives among people. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this idiom in real-life conversations. 1. In a work setting, my manager and I are not seeing eye to eye on the new project proposal. He thinks we should take a more conservative approach, while I believe a more innovative strategy is needed. 2. In personal relationships, my friend and I didn't see eye to eye on the movie we watched last night. I thought it was groundbreaking, but she found it boring. 3. In discussions or debates, during the meeting, it became clear that the team members were not seeing eye to eye on the best path forward for the project. When you find yourself not seeing eye to eye with someone, consider these tips for resolving your differences. Listen actively. Try to understand the other person's point of view without interrupting. Express your perspective clearly. Use I statements to express your thoughts and feelings without blaming the other person. Seek common ground. Look for areas where you agree that can serve as a foundation for understanding each other's perspectives. Agree to disagree. Sometimes, it's okay to acknowledge that you won't see eye to eye on everything and to respectfully accept your differences. Understanding and using the phrase, not seeing eye to eye, can help you navigate disagreements and express differences of opinion in English more effectively. Remember, it's natural not to agree on everything, and knowing how to communicate these differences respectfully is a key part of effective communication. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.